uthe wena lento engiyona ngizokwenza angaze ngikwadla amandla akho. In fact, I cannot be anything engifake because you are my partner. Impilo yami ngiyiphile nawe.
Can I ask you in English?
Yeah.
Wena lo muzo uthengile asifakanga contribution thina.
Kunokuthi ungiphendule kulokho wavele wathi uthi ingane yami akuyona yami. Ukusho ngeke ngikwenzele leyo nto ngoba.
So it was never Makhumalo's idea to ask for DNA. It's a family rule. Even when Musa brings in a wife, first of all, he has to provide HIV test results and STI checks to all the existing wives. No exceptions, protection first in a polygamous setup, right? And it makes perfect sense. And when it comes to the kids, every child born into the family must go through a DNA testing. That's a standard rule. Musa, as the patriarch of the family, and Michael as the matriarch, came up with that. T's and C's, meaning it has been enforced across board for trust and clarity in the family. Again, social media is an uproar calling Musa a leech. Yeah. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Set it to all so you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get into this mess. As we all know, Musa somehow made the public believe it was Makhumalo who wanted his and Makwela's child's DNA, because somehow Makwela was busy with other men and chances are that child was not his. But now during the sit down with Makhumalo, we are hearing that no, this is a family tradition, and Musa himself had told Makhumalo that they agreed with Mamkhulu that any child born in the family will undergo DNA testing. According to Makhumalo, she only repeated the DNA issue while asking Musa if the DNA had already been done on the child. And this was after she was hearing that the child has apparently been born already. And instead of him saying yes or no, or I can't give you that answer, he instead started accusing her of insinuating that his child was not his. And that's how the narrative was flipped, to make us believe that Makhumalo was the one pushing for the DNA of baby Med.
Kunokuthi ungiphendule kulokho wavele wathi uthi ingane yami akuyona yami. Ukusho ngeke ngikwenzele leyo nto ngoba wena ungusupport ulwa nami ngizoyenzela uMacele. Ngaphinda ngathe angisho ukuthi yenzele mina. I was asking you about something eyashiwo wena kimina ukuthi ayikho ingane yozalwa ingenziwa i-DNA test.
Makhumalo, it won't help you ukukunikeza ama results ukuthathini ngoba ungisupport. Ngizonikeza umuntu ongisupportayo. Nami that is my stance ukuthi ngikunikezela DNA ukuthi nje ngikwanelisa. No, awungisupport.
Yaba sengazuthi
ukubenza i-DNA ezokubenefita khona mashaka.
It was not about me. I was enkulumeni sasikhuluma on the day.
It's fine. Ngibuza ukuthi
No, nothing will ever benefit me Lwandle mina kuyona yonke lento yenzayo. It's not about me. Okokuqala, I have never questioned indaba yengane nobaba nani. I've never done that.
No.
Kwaba no Mthombeni ungakhulumi futhi. Kwaba I've never Mthombeni.
Mashobane nina nifike kumina. Nazo ngitshela ukuthi uMakhwela uthandana nabanye abantu.
Hayibo. Naye wayemention izinto ababekade beyikhuluma. Kodwa today, no izinto eshoyi nina lezo. Angimazi mina umuntu wakhe. And for that matter anginawo ne-interest. Akekho umuntu ongenayo history yakhe. Ungenaphi kwi-history yomunye umuntu? Uhlanganaphi? The most important thing is that she is now here. Nawe bhuti ngingenaphi ekutheni wenzeni wangenzini?
Ngiyayazi mina into niyikhulume nami.
Akusiyona le oyishoyo. Uyazijika izinto Mthombeni. Uyimise ngendlela ofuna izwakala endlebeni yakho ngakhona. UMthombeni mefuna into uphume kuyona uzoyijika ayenze ibe ugly so that uzoyeka ukukhuluma ngayo. Let me make an example. Mthombeni phela akufanele yini ngabe sewusilethela ama results wasisi like your HIV and AIDS, your STIs, your everything. Yazi Mthombeni ukuthi uzothini uzokunika impendulo ezokwenza uzizwe some type of way. I understand ukuthi why umuntu ezozafunana nama results okokuqala ubani way virgin. Is that what I'm looking for? No, it's not. But is she a virgin? I do not know. Ubani was lokho? It's you umuntu wakhe. Mina ngiyakwazi lokho? Cha. So yini ezongenza ukuthi mina ngibe at ease ngokuthi kufanele nginganikezwe ama results? Ayikho. Akwenzeki virgin ibe nesifo. I do not know emhlabeni kaMthombeni. Am I saying ukuthi siyagula? No. Am I looking out for all of us? yes yini wrong ngokwenza into right. Cha umthombe ngeke akunikeze leyo nto uzokunikeza ezokwenza ukuthi ufile ngathi into oyishilwe yini.
And one thing I can say on this is that Musa is someone who likes saying, oh, I'm building. It doesn't seem like he's building when it comes to this. It seems like he's doing everything in his power to make sure that his wives do not get along. Because with all this at play, everything that we have seen thus far, it doesn't seem like there will ever be a time where Makhumalo and Makhwela will ever be fine. Because their husband made sure to ruin that relationship before it even started. Like it's a mess, this man is a very messy human being, seemingly.
In fact, I cannot be anything and far because you are my partner.
Can I ask you,
Yeah.
when I'm attending, as far as the contribution team, when I went about there's a company,
no, why are you asking me this?
It was about Maukuluma, Umati, when was married.
Okay, a company, yes, and I will explain. You advised me to open a company. I did that. 2, you exposed me to abandon when the deal was in Britain for the room 72 was. You exposed me because I was working for my companies of the country.
Mina ngalazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenza umthombeni ngale nto yokuhlezi efuna ngikhulume ngendaba yokuba independent kwami. Kodwa I know because umbali once said to me, "Hey Mashobani, yazi indlela umthombeni ayibeka ngayo into mekhuluma nathi enye yezinto ezizokuzondisa ngabantu ngoba uyayabeka ngathi uthi wakuvulela ikhampani so that you can take care of the family." Kusho ukuthi kwabanye abantu fa present into ukuthi urongo Makhumalo bengekazami ngene exupporteni injani no number 5 ngoba kusho ukuthi umsupporta ngento that I started.
Social media is buzzing, calling for Makhumalo to love herself, put herself first, and stop acting like a warrior when it comes to her husband and her marriage. People are calling for her to leave her marriage ASAP because it is not serving her. With comments like Musa Msaleko is a leech and a gold digger. And I must say this is my first time hearing anyone call him a leech and a gold digger. That's the first, okay? And some are saying he's jealous of Makhumalo's achievements and it is very dangerous for her to stay married to someone who's jealous of her. Now, what are your thoughts on this, fam? Do you think Makhumalo should really leave? That this man is really dangerous to her because of his jealousy over her achievements? Or when you get married, it's a till death do us part thing, so you can't just leave just because things aren't going the way you wished they would go? Let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.